Your API docs are outdated the second you publish them, unless an AI is rewriting them for you in real time. That's exactly what Documentation.AI does. Every time your specs change, the AI documentation agent detects it, refreshes the content, and keeps everything accurate. No manual rewrites, no sprint tickets, no chasing down engineers for updates. Your open API specs import directly, generating organized reference docs and code samples automatically. Headings, parameters, and code blocks get structured specifically for LLM chunking, so retrieval is precise and reliable. The embedded assistant answers developer questions right inside the page, with cited sources, so support tickets drop before they're even filed. You get page-level analytics showing exactly where users drop off so you can target fixes fast. For developer experience teams and technical writers, this means your docs are always production ready, not just on launch day. Ship accurate docs on autopilot. Try Documentation.AI today.